Hi friends, welcome to WebChamp. In this video, I'm going to discuss how to modify the relationship between two tables in Power BI service. Obviously, we can do the modeling part in Power BI, but yes, the same thing we can do in Power BI service also. Let's see how we can do. Okay, if you come and log into the Power BI service where your reports are published. Okay. So what you need to do is you need to come to the workspaces where your reports are there. Okay. Just go to the data modeling. Okay. From here also you can go for the modifying the modeling. Okay. So go to the data modeling. This is what the report name. Actually, this is not a model. Okay. So instead of this, what I will do, I will select the another. Okay. Here also I have something called. Okay. But let's find this report or this data set has already built it for the modeling part. Okay. So if I go to this report, okay, I will open this in new tab. Okay, this pops up for this. Okay. And if I log into the Microsoft Fabric, so here you will be able to see the edit option. Okay. If you go to the this edit option, you will be able to modify your report. You can create the new visuals the way whatever you can do in Power BI desktop. Almost everything you can do with respect to visualization and modification here. Okay, so you can select the visual, you can change the visual type. Okay, if I select this, that is even fine. Even if I want to use this, so any kind of visual you can select, and just by simply clicking on, you will be able to modify your report. But our interest is to how to modify the relationship on Power BI service. Okay, so if you see here, there is an option to open data model. If you click on this, okay, and if I select the appropriate account, so you will be able to modify the your existing relationship between two tables. Okay, so you need to make sure that these changes will be permanent and automatically saved. So let me say if I don't want the relationship between the territory table and fact sales table, what I need to do is I need to click on this, and here in place, okay, in the pane of properties, what you can do, you can make this active. If I don't want, I will make this active. It will apply the changes, and now this relationship will be inactive. Even you can see the dotted line there, right? So this is how you can modify, you can change, you can define the relationships of your tables on Power BI service. Okay, this is one way. Even if you go to the report, okay, from here also we have seen, right? We gone to this. If I go to the, okay, let me go back. There is one more way. If you click on the data set, okay, so there is option to open the data model also. So you can go and you can open. Okay, but before before modifying the relationship, sometime you will get a message that you will not be able to do this, meaning there is a restrictions from the workspace administration. Okay, so in that case, what you need to, you need to go to the workspaces, and here there is something called workspace setting. If you go to the workspace setting, so here the options are there, whether you would like to, meaning the as a, if you are as an workspace admin, so what kind of privilege you should give to the users, that you can define here. And I don't want this. There is something called general. Okay, yes, so inside a Power BI there is a general tab. If you come here, so data model settings, so if you disable this, then nobody will be able to modify your existing relationship from the workspace. So here now you can see that that option is disabled, and even it says that ask your workspace admin to turn on this. So whoever will be the workspace admin, meaning who has created this workspace, so that person is able to set this, define this. And if you go to the workspace setting inside the Power BI general option, yes, so here that workspace admin needs to enable this, then and then only it is possible to modify the relationship in Power BI, otherwise it is not possible. So this is all about the modifying relationship in Power BI. I hope you like the content of this video. Thank you so much for watching the video. Have a nice day. Please do not forget to subscribe the channel.